Head gasket on this Prius. I wanted to show you one way you can check for a head gasket leak at home. And first we need to pull the cowl to get the coils and spark plugs out. So we'll do that, and then I'll show you how you can check for a head gasket leak. So the first thing you can look at is the spark plug color. You see how the tip of that is really white, the rest are black. It means it's been whitewashed with coolant. Coolant's getting in that cylinder, washing all the carbon off. So that spark plug came out of this cylinder right here. So what we're going to do is called the paper test. You just take a couple pieces of sheet of paper and you'll put them over the cylinder like that, and you'll hold it down and then have a partner crank over the engine, and it won't start because there's no spark, and then you'll see if any coolant comes out of the cylinder. This car's been sitting for close to a week now, so I don't know if there's any coolant, but we'll definitely give it a try and see if this works out. So you can see there on cylinder 2, sprayed out moisture by a coolant water mix. So right there you can see all that moisture that's shot up out of that number 2 cylinder. So this definitely has a blown head gasket. It's common for these to blow over into a coolant jacket. So we're going to go ahead and replace this head gasket. Hopefully this video on how to check for a blown head gasket at home was helpful. Stay tuned for the head gasket replacement, which will be up soon. Thanks for watching.